Hi, this is Bill from Farland Classic Restoration, doing another walk around on one of our interesting cars we have here in the showroom. This is our 1952 MG TD. It was the third in line of the MG Sports Series, followed the TC. The TD was really aimed at the American market. It was left-hand drive. The earlier ones were all right-hand drive. And these things popularized sports cars in America in the 50s. These were so popular they made over 30,000 of them. And in sports car races back in those days, they were so prevalent they had a special class just for MGs. The factory, noticing that, decided to build what they called a competition model, which this particular car is. The competition ones had a high compression cylinder head, a hotter camshaft, bigger carburetors, and a few other features that made them a little bit faster, a little bit sportier. Unfortunately, most of these cars over the years, not being particularly valuable, fell into disrepute. They got rusty, they got crashed, they got left outdoors, and there's not very many survivors. This particular car we found hibernating in a garage 3 miles from here. It's been in one family ownership for almost 40 years. The car was kept in a garage and only driven rarely. The 71,000 miles on the car are actual mileage, and in those 40 years, they only put about 300 miles on the car, taking the grandkids to Dairy Queen every once in a while. It's been well cared for. It has its original engine, which must have been overhauled somewhere along the line because it runs like a top, makes no startling noises, and the whole car really doesn't have any rust or damage, and this is how we got it. We have not detailed this car. The engine in these, at the time, that was considered a high-performance engine. Of course, it's laughable today, but it sure is fun to drive. In fact, I enjoy taking this little sweetheart out for rides. It's so different from a modern car. You want to stay off the interstate with it, but it is a great deal of fun to drive. These are the larger carburetors. Dual fuel pumps were part of the competition package. And it's just a really, really solid example of one of these cars. The convertible top and the side curtains are in good condition. They're certainly usable. The seats obviously have been reupholstered somewhere along the line. So it's not a concours show winner, but it's a car that you could certainly have fun taking your kids to Dairy Queen in. Give us a call at Farland Classic Restoration. We'll be glad to answer your questions about this little car. Thank you. Hey, it's Bill again. I forgot to mention that in an earlier life, I worked for Ferrari for over 20 years. I've driven F40s, F50s, even an Enzo, and they're wonderful cars. But you know, on the street, they're really a frustration. Anything over second gear, you get arrested. In an MGTD, you can use all 4 gears. And I'll sum up by saying, there's an old popular expression, say it with me. It's more fun to drive a slow car fast than a fast car slow. Thank you.